Yes, good morning Jamaica, it's Mr. Ellis again. I'm just showing you my rain charge and my renewable generator. Well, this is it outside. That is my rain charge. You see the wire there? One coming inside. Connect to my little generator in my science lab. Well, this is my science lab. Yes, this is where I produce my little energy. Well, I have my solar charge control, and that is my indicator light. This is my charge controller for my solar panel. This is my indicator light. Well, all these things is charging system, wireless charging system. This is my little radio. Well, I want to see if I can connect my fan and switch it on. All the YouTube ads and Facebook. Just give Mr. Ellis a call if you love this video. 879-0647. Show you where you can pull the energy from natural source. See my fan there running.
This serious.
So I'm charging from the rainfall at the moment. Yes, this is my little science lab where I do my little experiment on energy. You don't have to need gas to do what you're doing. So God bless you all Jamaica. God bless you all world. Just give Mr. Ellis a thumbs up. And you also can get these generator made from Mr. Ellis. God bless you all. You don't have to worry about candle, gas oil that is damaging the ozone layer. Too many carbon. You can't run a generator inside your house. No, because the carbon will damage, poison your body. This is natural energy from the environment. God bless you all.
A rain charge generator system, viewers and subscribers. You know all that incredible? Eh? Now, if that really work and if that person really invented or created something like that, viewers and subscribers, that's really something, See? Jamaica people full of talent, See? Some no doubt that the man really create something like that, but would I like to see a more face-to-face or a better proof say this thing at work. See? But I find that video interesting and I present it to your viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. Dancehall skilla day here again. You see? Now my people, may have another video I'm going to present to you. But before I present that video to you, I want to talk to you about this whole thing where it said that a girl accused police of cutting her hair while she was in police custody. You see? Yeah, as some are going to say it because in some ways I think that might be the right way to say it. Say she accused the police of cutting her hair while she's in police custody. So as some are going to say it. Alright? Yeah. Alright. So her name is said to be King. Now, I see a news article about the whole situation. And when I look at the news article, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to be honest, I feel insulted. And I don't even want to say certain things, but me feel a way, like when somebody says something to you and you feel like the person take it for an idiot. Yeah, as some me feel. Because this is about somebody's hair who got cut and the person accused police of cutting her hair. So me I said to myself, say, something like that not supposed to take a long time to figure out what really happened, viewers and subscribers. I mean, if something like that takes so long to figure out by investigators within the country of Jamaica, then no wonder why crime and violence are really and truly so hard to solve in Jamaica some of the times. You understand me and some people? So, me I go read from this news article when me see, and then you can also tell me what you think. Now, listen to this now, my people. See? The news article said, ruling in King haircut case hits snag. Alright, cool. So, a part of the news article said, a ruling from Jamaica's chief prosecutor for the recommendation on whether anyone should be charged in relation to the alleged forcible haircut of a Rastafarian teenager at the Four Pass police station in Clarendon has suffered a delay. It's another delay this again. See? Alright, cool. Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, Paula Llewellyn, had indicated that she would have made a ruling this week. See? Now, this news article had been published on the 17th of December, the year 2021, of your subscribers. You see me? Listen to the next piece here, and then I'm going to tell you something there. See? When contacted on Thursday, Llewellyn told the Gleaner that her office needed clarity on an aspect of the probe and has written to the Independent Commission of Investigations, that's INDECOM, saying the DPP said the team has gone through the commission's report on the incident but is not yet in a position to complete the ruling. Now, viewers and subscribers, you ever hear about one thing named brotherhood? Yeah, brotherhood. In my point of view, police, the entire police force is like a brotherhood. See? Yeah, that's in my point of view. See? And when a person say me and you are brother, most likely them now go and let down them brother. See? I think that Jamaica need an external body of investigators to investigate certain things that happen within the country of Jamaica. You see me know people are going to talk about INDECOM and so forth. You see me? Yeah, we understand. But some of the times, I wonder what go on with INDECOM viewers and subscribers. You understand me? I said to you, it's like it's a never-ending cycle. Alari, no, to me, it's like it's a never-ending cycle. You see it? But something like this that happened to this teenager, you know, I think that they should have been dealt with a good time ago, viewers and subscribers. I mean, if a simple haircut cannot be solved for so long ago, you see me, with some accusations about police cutting the hair of a teenager. I mean, if something so simple can't solve so long ago, then what go on for crime and violence then? Which is much more a bigger thing than somebody here will get cut. One day I say my people, this look away, this reflect on the government, you know, as well as the Jamaica police force and investigators within the country of Jamaica, you know. This look away, you know, people. Me I wonder if whosoever do all these investigations and probing and so forth, now see these things, or maybe them already know, but you ever hear about one thing when they say name dry eye? You know, you look straight at somebody and know what you do and do what you do, and know say somebody see what you do and you still do it, but you just not care because you make things go your way how you want it. You ever hear about that thing before? When you dry eye is a type of phrase that Jamaicans use. Yeah, dry eye. Me no know. But people, this just look away. It just looks away. It looks played out. It looks drawn out. You see me? And you see the thing about it is, to each and everyone out there, you know, social media, don't forget, you know. See me? Social media changed the way how the world used to operate, you know. Back in the days, things could have played out and drawn out until the public forget about it because social media never developed. But social media make things different, you know, viewers and subscribers. So if at the next 10 and 20 years, social media will bring it right back to your face because information depends on everybody's fingertips, so in their hand, their phone, their laptop, them this, them that. You see? Yes, so social media, don't forget. So draw it out, play it out. You know what I mean? Yeah, social media, don't forget. Anyways, my people, you can let me know what to think about that situation there. So me I say, I'm going to move on to another topic. See, now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show a well-known person on social media who goes by the name of Candy Wow, and she said some things in this video that gave me the understanding that she called musicians' names from within the country of Jamaica, saying that them have to give her money or they owe her money. That's the understanding that I got from the things that she said in the video. Viewers and subscribers, tell me what to think about this video, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah, 20 and Spice Cartel, all I wanna have to give me some money. I need it. Right. Bumbo clan. No. Right now. Right. Coming on the clothes, me on the food, me have no.
Who are you?
Spice Cartel, all of them.
Struggle is real.
But I know I will survive. Catch it, man.
But people, I'm not tell a lie still, the war wine did a shell out the place, you know. Yeah, the war wine, you know. Especially when time you'd have a song with Cartel do, you know, anytime a song they play, then it's like that song they go with the war wine to all things they said at the time they on social media and so forth. You see me? But you see the thing is though, my people, with all due respect, it's when you do things in life, expect for you to stand up on your own 2 foot. That's all me I go say. You understand? Yeah, even if somebody owe you, or even if you do certain things that enhance the person, always try to make sure you stay on your own foot. You know, when it comes down to Candy Wow, I don't really and truly want to say anything certain ways, because it's just really sad some of the times, and at the same time she's entertaining too. You see me ask some people, yeah, Candy Wow entertaining. Yeah man, she entertaining too, man. You see me I say, but me I tell her, this life I will live, Jano. My people, big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I will see you next time, yeah.
Hey my youth, me know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.